Hello and welcome to Freshers Talk. My name is Prajit Mittal and I am 21 years old. I come from a place called Jodhpur in Rajasthan and I have pursued a bachelor's degree in commerce from Jain Narayan Vyas University, Jodhpur. I am also a professional badminton player and contest regularly at the national level. Apart from this, I am also a solo traveler and have traveled extensively across various countries and states. During my graduation, I was fortunate enough to work in different verticals of our family's businesses along with my academics. This eventually drove me to pursue a master's degree in business. So, I took the CAT examination, underwent numerous processes, and finally got accepted into one of India's finest B schools, the Indian Institute of Management, Sirmaur. So far, the journey has been great. Being part of a student-driven institute is a different experience altogether. It's been only a few months, but I can proudly say that IIM Sirmaur has helped me grow as a person, hone my leadership skills, and realize my true potential. This is evident from the fact that even after being the youngest in the batch, I am currently serving as the secretary of the placement committee for MBA Tourism and Hospitality Management. I, along with my team, is responsible for training and placements of the entire batch. Case-based exams are something unique and very different from any other type of examination which we have previously experienced. There is no straightforward answer to the given problem. There are no rights and there are no wrongs. Even after having loads of information which is available to us in form of books, class notes, as well as the internet, we still need to use our brains, need to apply the concepts which were taught to us during the lectures and find out an optimal solution for the given problem. I love the creative freedom and time frame which I get while attempting these cases, and currently the exams are being held online, which gives me a calm place to sit and write exams in times like these. Now, guest lectures are another wonderful component of the MBA life. Fortunately, at the Indian Institute of Management, Sirmaur, I have had the opportunity to attend numerous guest sessions from leaders across different industries in various verticals. These guest sessions helps us in ways more than one might think, giving us the opportunity to directly interact with leaders, having tremendous experiences, achievements, successes, and even some failures, which helps us in building the understanding of how things work in the real world. What was the mindset or thought process before an important decision was taken, and how it went, and even more insights on what's ahead of us. Accept it or deny it. I believe every guest lecture, in one way or the other, leaves a lifelong impact on the students. I would like to conclude by wishing the CAT aspirants all the very best, and I hope to see you on campus soon.